For this problem, we want to find the break-even point or points for the revenue and the cost function defined by r of x and c of x respectively. Now for the break-even points, that's when revenue equals the cost. So if revenue equals the cost, we have 91.9 times x minus 0.7x squared. That's equal to 3x plus 1940.4. We have negative 0.7x squared plus 88.9x minus 1940.4. This is equal to 0. And then we will have to use quadratic formula. By quadratic formula, we have x that's equal to negative of 88.9 plus or minus the square of b squared